Don't be intimidated by the pomegranate. It's super easy to cut, and if you do it at home, your pomegranate seeds are going to last a very long time. Let me show you how. Hey everybody, I'm Kelly with the Suburban Soapbox, and today I'm going to show you how to cut a pomegranate. Now you can go onto social media and see so many different hacks for cutting them, but this is like a true way to cut it and get the seeds out without being covered in the juice. So to pick a pomegranate when you go to the store, you want to pick one that is like heavy for its size. So this one actually feels like quite heavy, and that's how you know how much juice is in there, or if it's been dried out or it's sitting on the shelf for a long time. And you can also see like the outside is like leathery, but it's pretty uniform in its covering of the seeds and the pith inside. This is an older one, and you can totally see here how, yes, the skin is leathery, but it's also starting to like show the seeds inside. Like you can see there's more bumps and like crannies on here. This is not a good pomegranate. This has been sitting around for a while. So if you see it at the store like this, you do not want that one. You want this one that's like shiny and beautiful and heavy. So to cut your pomegranate, so you'll see like this end here, which is like the blossom end of the pomegranate. We're going to cut that off at about a 1/2 inch. So you want to be very careful because pomegranate juice stains like ridiculously. If you don't want to get your hands stained, then you should probably wear gloves. And if you want to make sure you don't splash on yourself, wear an old shirt or an apron or something. Do as I say, not as I do. So you're also going to see in here, there's some lines. It looks like little chambers of where the seeds are in this. It's like a membrane or a pith. Pith is like the white part of an orange, so it's similar here. That part is edible, but it's extremely bitter, so you really don't want to eat it because it just doesn't taste that great. So we're just going to score around the pomegranate, like along those lines. So you're just gonna make sure to cut in there a little bit. And it's kind of like dot to dot. When you were little, when you used to do like the little dot to dot, you just wanna make sure you're connecting the top there to the bottom part, but using those lines as a guide. And you'll see, like I'm splashing all over the countertop. So if you have like a granite countertop that you don't want to stain, I would just cover it with a towel. And I think I got all of them there. We'll just go right here too. So at that point, you're just going to break it apart. And it comes apart pretty easily. So you can just break those pieces off. And then you'll see all those beautiful seeds inside. And this one's like a little more stubborn, so we're just gonna do what we can here to expose those seeds. And this piece came right out. You want to just have a bowl of water here, and it's easier if you just do it in the bowl of water. One, it contains some of the seeds. The seeds are heavier because they have water in them, and they'll sink to the bottom. So if you have any of that white pithy part in there, it's going to float to the top. So it makes it really easy to get your pomegranate seeds separated from that white pulpy piece. So you can see all the white pieces here are floating. So you can just scoop those out. And you can do it with like a strainer, a mesh like spider strainer or something, and pull all those pieces out. And then you can strain this out, and then you'll have all your seeds. So I'm just gonna quick strain them out in a mesh sieve, and then we'll come back here and we'll just pop some pomegranate seeds. Now that our pomegranate is all seeded, we have these beautiful, gorgeous ruby red seeds. You can use them to coat a cheese ball to be festive for the holidays, put them on top of salad, sprinkle on some chicken salad. The options are limitless. I just like them to snack on. So juicy, tart, sweet, perfect. See how easy that was? If you like this video, please be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. For more easy recipes, visit thesuburbansoapbox.com. Thanks again.